Welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be looking at how to get really nice smooth slow-mo in CapCut. I'm using CapCut on the iPad Pro, but it's exactly the same on your phone. The reason we can get super smooth slow-mo in CapCut is because it contains a really clever AI which interpolates the footage. Now this is a feature usually found on more expensive desktop NLEs like Premiere Pro or Final Cut. So this is a really big deal to have a feature like this on a free app. Okay, so let's jump into CapCut and check out how to use it. Okay, so here we are in CapCut. The first thing we want to do is start a new project and select the clip we want to use. I'm going to use this clip of Georgie and me at the Louvre. We're going to trim it to the part we need. Then we're going to tap Add. And at the moment the clip plays through like that. So we're going to scroll along to where we want the slow motion to begin. And with the clip highlighted, we're going to use split. And then we're going to go down to speed, choose normal, and we're going to take the speed down to about 0.4. Okay, so at the moment it looks like that. Now as you can see, that's quite jumpy because I shot this at 25 frames a second. Let's go back and use the smooth feature. This time we're going to select make it smoother and we're going to select the better quality option. Now this will take longer to process. As you can see, CapCut's doing its thing. But the end result looks like this. And that's it, super smooth slow-mo from a free app that you can use on your phone. Awesome. If you have any questions at all, ask me in the comments. And if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.